Hey guys, hello and welcome. And today we will learn the popular machine learning pros and cons. Here I share some of here is the page they share this informations. Learn Python. You can start follow this. Okay. You can also start follow. I am also following it. 50k followers is there. What they share? Let's learn it on my Facebook page. So we'll like what you can spend hours and hours in this right by scrolling one. So I'm thinking like to not learn from here or even so let's start. Like today's topic is popular machine learning pros and cons. Machine learning is nowadays like the like one of the best thing you can learn, like machine learning, AI, data science, deep learning, networking, those are the trending technologies, like bitcoins, cryptocurrencies and all. So let's learn this popular machine learning modes, pros and cons, what they're saying. Let's read it for you. Anyway, linear regressions. I hope you have some sort of knowledge information regarding this machine learning, so let's also we'll learn it, don't worry. So good. What is good in linear regression? So simple and implemented and efficient to train. You can train a machine learning very easily, and overfitting can be reduced by regulations. Perform well when the data set is initially separated. Assume that, like, the bad thing is assume that the data is independent, which is rare in a real life. Prone to noise and overfittings, sensitive or to outliers. Now, logical regression. So what are the good things in logical regression? So less prone to overfilling, but it can overfit in high dimensional data set. Efficient when the dataset has features that are linearly spreadable, easy to implement and efficient to train. But the bad thing is in the logistic, like, should not be used when the number of observations are less than the number of features. Assumptions of linearity, which is rare in practice and can only be used to predict district function. Support vectors machine. Good thing is good at high dimensional data and can work on small data set. Can solve non-linear problem and inefficient on large data and require, but the bad thing is inefficient in large data and require picking the right kernel. Decision tree. The good thing is can solve non-linear problems, can work on high dimensional data with excellent accuracy, easy to visualize and explain. The bad thing is overfilling might be resolved by random forest, and a small changes in the data can lead to large changes in the structure of the optimal decision tree, and calculation can be very complex. That is the bad thing. Now, what are the good things in k nearest neighbors? The good thing is can make predictable without train. Prediction it can make predictions without train. So time complexity is on, so can be used for both classifications and regressions. The bad thing is does not work well with the large data sets, sensitive to noise data and missing valuable values and outline, and need features scaling, and choose the correct k value. K mean, what is the good things and bad things? Like simple to implement and scale to large data sets, and guarantees convergence, easily adapted to new examples and generalized to cluster of different shapes and size. Bad thing is sensitive to the outliers, and choosing the k value manuals is though dependent on initial values, and scalability decrease when dimensions increase. Principal components analysis, like good good thing is reduce correlate features and improve performance and reduce overfitting. Bad thing is principal components are less interpretable and information's loss. Must standardize data form data before implementing PCA, principal component analyst. Now, naive Bayes, you can see this formula. Now, good thing is train period is less, better suited for categorical inputs, easy to implement. The bad thing is assumption that all features are independent, which is rarely happen in real life. Zero frequency estimations can be wrong in some cases, and ANN, like good thing is have fault tolerance, have the ability to learn and model nonlinear and complex relationships, and can generalize on unseen data. And the bad thing is long training time, no guaranteed convergence, and black box, hard to explain solutions, hardware dependency, require users ability to translate the problems. Adobe Boost, like good thing is relatively robust to overfittings, high accuracy, easy to understand and visualize. Bad thing is sensitive to noise data and affected by outliers and not optimized for speed. So that is what the good and bad things for machine learning, popular machine learning model, pros and cons. Thanks for watching and keep listening. Bye bye.